Okay, we're starting our ride. So since my last ride, I've changed the rear cassette. I eliminated that oversized, under-engineered low gear and replaced it with the same sized low gear with a much stronger cassette. I also replaced the rear wheel to accommodate the new cassette. And I've also put a smaller front sprocket on the pedal end of things. So thinking that we should have a little bit better hill climbing ability in first gear. It's just a lovely park. Ooh, can't pedal. Well, the bicycle does feel a bit zippier than it was with the older gear setup. Ooh, wildlife. So this incline that's coming up is pretty long and fairly steep. It's very difficult to do just by pedaling. But no problem with an electric. Oh, we have some debris on the road. Okay, it's holding 18 miles an hour in first gear, which is very good. Now we're coming up to a slightly steeper part now. I just love doing this. "17 miles an hour, and it's still pretty steep. Yeah, I think we have a good first gear combination going here. Second gear. Third gear. Feels very comfortable. There's some deer. Hello, deer. I don't know if you saw it off to the right. Two little deer. nicely, even in second. Thank you, Dave Douglas, for making me a new steel motor mount. Now I don't have to think about my motor twisting and turning on its mount. Nice job, man. Now we're in the forest. Isn't that beautiful? I just love this part. Wow, I can't even pedal. Okay, I'm up to 4th gear now in pedaling. So with the smaller front chain wheel, I'm not able to pedal at speeds over 10 miles an hour unless I go to 4th gear. So in a way, that larger chain wheel was better for when I would want to pedal. Oh, now here we are at the fork in the road. We're going to go left here. That's hard to see. Oh, that's a nice little climb. Now I can pedal here. Isn't this off-road stuff fun? Whee! Maybe we'll find some single track up here too. Oh, hey! Looks like we got an overheating problem here. Yikes! Now we'll see how good low gear is for pedaling. We can go down one more. Oh, I've been here before. Oh, and this is actually quite close to leaving the park. Oh, look at this. Look where we are. What a great place to take a little break. Yeah, so I guess the overheating is the next problem we have to look at. Look at this. Oh my, beautiful. You see Old Monterey Bay. Wow. That looks like a single track right over here. Maybe go down there a little bit. Wow. Well, we did a lot of climbing before it got hot. Before the motor got hot. Wow. Look at all that water. All right, I'm going to put it on pause.